Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with a new and fresh video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about my own experience. How did I learn my English? What was the journey? What was all the struggle that I did for the English? And how did I improve it? And how I made this accent of United States. Watch the video till the end. I'm going to begin with my own story. When I was in a class 9 or class 8, I start my struggle and my journey of English. I was using my Uncle Poon, and I met a boy from the Canada. His name was Jacob Josh, and I think I was really weak in English at that time. But uh, in the school when we were studying English in the English subject, I was very good, but I wasn't that far big in the spoken English. So when I meet him first, so he was from Canada. This boy, I got inspired from him. He inspired me a lot, and he told me that you can do start from today. And I start that time. I was always uh, listening to English and English movies, English songs, and different type of thing. And I made a lot of international friends. And this time it was my inspiration and my determination. These people made a lot of love in my heart. And what I would say, I was just get crazy. mm, Talking to these people, and I was such a mad that time. They make me so mad that time, and they just dip me and they sink me in English, and they give me a lot of courage, a lot of hope, determination, and everything. So that time, my own inspiration rise up, and I start my journey, and it took about 4 years. Now I'm at that stage to really help you improve your English and help you uh, to learn United States accent as well. Now that time, I had so many difficult times. Almost spend my time with these boys. We were always chatting, and I was using dictionaries, and I can't even understand their word, but just a little bit. That time I used a dictionary, and I was always connected with them. It was about I would connect with them for 5 hour, for 10 hour. So uh, these were like such a great connection, that stick me with English. Okay, a few months later, the boy died, and I'm really sorry for that. But he died in an accident. Then I meet their uh, cousin and your whole family. They were about uh, 5 to 4 members. They were connected with me that time, and then after that time, I meet people in the U.S. and uh, I were pretty much connected to them that time, which were really helpful for me. And I also installed a lot of apps that were for English practicing, and um, I started to watch movie, listen to song. So they were nothing for me, nothing worth for me than English. My total time, my total life were so much connected to English. I was listening to cricket commentaries and these things, and we also chat with a friend. I also made a video call with them. So these are things which really helped me improve my English, and now I'm at that level. Could help you to improve. Start your journey today, and don't shy. Start your struggle. One day you will success. It about took 4 years, and now I am at this stage. I hope today you are a beginner.